Look up, that's the moon. It's been watching over Earth for over 4.5 billion years. It has no sound, no air, no emotion. But what if I told you it's falling? No. Not figuratively, literally. The moon, that distant glowing sphere, is no longer orbiting safely. It's been disturbed. Its path has changed, and in just 27 days, it's going to crash into Earth. You wake up. The news says moon impact, confirmed. Panic sets in. Governments collapse. People cry, scream, pray, and you're left wondering the same question as 8 billion others. What happens when the moon hits Earth? This is not science fiction. This is physics. This is your countdown. The moon isn't just a light in the night sky. It controls the tides. It stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, slows down our rotation, giving us 24-hour days. Without the moon, our nights would be pitch black. Our days would fly by in 6 hours, or seasons would shift unpredictably. Earth's tilt could wobble like a broken toy. Every major evolutionary milestone on Earth, from ocean life to land creatures, happened under the moon's silent gaze. It's not just a rock. It's a guardian. So when something goes wrong with the moon, everything else unravels with it. There are 3 realistic ways the moon could fall. Rogue planet or asteroid. A Mars-sized object slingshots through the solar system, limits gravity, tugging the moon just slightly off balance. That 0.001 degree shift. That's all it takes. Microscopic black hole, invisible, undetectable, passing New Earth 1. Close pass, and the moon's orbit destabilize. Men interference and experimental deep space weapon. A nuclear accident on the moon's surface, or gravitational experiments gone wrong. It doesn't matter how it starts, only matters that it has. And the countdown has begun. Day 1 to 5. The whisper moon appears 2% larger. Ocean tides shift. Strangely migrating animals go off course. Earthquakes begin in fault zones. Scientists confirm moonfall is real. Day 6 to 10. Global panic news spreads. Internet breaks down under load. Mass migrations begin. Billionaires retreat into private bunkers. Day 11 to 15. Atmospheric collapse begins. The moon now appears 10 times larger in the sky. Earth's crust begins to flex from gravity. Supervolcanoes show early signs. Coastal cities flood permanently. Day 16 to 20. Governments fall. World leaders vanish. Military rule takes over. In some areas, religions and cults explode in popularity. Looting, riots, fires. Fear. Day 21 to 26. Final days. Gravity becomes unstable. The moon pulls oceans upward. Electrical grids foul. Communication ends. Families say goodbye. Humanity stares up helpless. Though moment of impact, speed over 20,000 kilometers per hour, force equivalent to 1 million nuclear bombs. The atmosphere ignites. The shockwave is global. Tectonic plates shattered the oceans, boiled. The sky turns red. If you're within 3,000 kilometers, you're vaporized instantly. Farther you get, firestorms, 500-foot tsunamis, and months of black, sunless skies. Mess. Extinction isn't just likely, it's guaranteed. Earth becomes a shattered half-planet. Debris from both the moon and Earth form a new ring system around the remains of the globe. If any humans survive in bunker steel, live in darkness for decades. Temperatures drop below -50 degrees Celsius. Oxygen thins. Crops die. It's not just the end of civilization, it's the end of the biosphere. Yes, but it's extremely rare. The moon's orbit is stable for now, but rogue asteroids come close every year. Black holes may exist undetected. We continue experimenting with planetary-scale technologies. So the question is not just if but when, and how ready will be. Can we nuke the moon? No, it's too big. Fast, it would just break into chunks. All still heading for Earth. Can we push it with rockets? In theory. If we had decades to prepare, not 27 days. Can we escape? Not yet. Mars colonization isn't ready. Most people wouldn't get a seat, even if it was Kude. Our robots help maybe, but they'd have to invent, design, and build a solution faster than humanity ever has. Truth is we have to accept it and face the end. Together, the moon crashing into Earth isn't just a doomsday idea, it's a reminder that we are small, fragile. We live on a spinning rock in a deadly, uncaring universe, and yet we have beauty, families, imagination. Maybe the lesson isn't how we die, but how we live while we're here, because when the sky falls, only one thing will matter: how we treated each other when we had the time. So, next time you look at the moon, don't just see a glowing light, see the force that keeps Earth alive, see the guardian that watches over our oceans, our sleep, our hearts, and know that one day, just maybe it, might fall. Let's just hope it's not today. Subscribe for more epic what-if stories, because one day one of them might not be fiction.